Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Yev. Apparently, this keyboard from Royal Clutch, this RK-R65, became very popular on my channel, and a lot of you asking how to disassemble the case, how to do the modding of this keyboard, and all other questions. So I decide and prepare myself to do a big mod upgrade of this keyboard. So today I have some set of Echo Crystal Pro switches. I have a rest wrist, some additional knob, custom stabilizers, coiled cable, and special set of keycaps. And I'm gonna to do all of this today together with you. Let's go. Let's open the box, check what is inside, and let's disassemble this keyboard. So you may check my previous video, initial review of this keyboard, so I will not stop on the small details, but inside the box you have a keyboard itself. You have several spare switches, puller, cable, one additional keycap. So many of you ask me how to disassemble this keyboard, how to open the case. So obviously you need to start with removing everything what you have on top. So let's do this quickly. Many of you ask me how to open this case. So let's do it together. So basically you need to use a couple of plastic pins to open the case. It's no screws, so you don't need to unscrew anything. You need just to have patience and be careful. So just to remind you that this keyboard is perfect because it's gasket mounted. You see this silicone pads, so you have real flex structure of this keyboard. Okay, let's remove stabilizers. So inside the case we have piece of foam and piece of silicone. So basically it's not much we need to do really. I'm gonna only apply a type mod and some magic around stabilizers. You see that we have a film in between of this foam and PCB, which is great. So I only want to apply something like that to these places of stabilizers. So first of all, let's clean it up. So this is basically band aid type, and we will need to cut a small tiny piece and to put on top of each under stabilizer place. Okay, there we go. You should have something like this at the end, small pad under each stabilizer. Also, I want to install this silicone pads under stabilizers. Okay, there you go. This is a final result how you should proceed. Okay, this is assembled back PCB switch with our enhancement. Now let's apply painter type mod on the back side of PCB. It should look like this. So we have 4 pins inside the case. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's add these rubber rings to remove any potential vibration on this side. Okay, I'm ready to close the case. Do not forget to connect all wires. We have one for USB-C port and one for the knob. Here we go, our upgraded case of this keyboard. Let's move on. Okay, our first real upgrade, real replacement of some parts of this keyboard is Durock plate mount stabilizer, and let's check what we have and how to use them, right? So you are getting these stabilizers fully disassembled, and obviously they are not pre-looped, so we need to do everything by ourselves, but they are crystal clear, and they support my target for upgrade of this keyboard. So let me show you on one example how to do it, and then I will repeat for all others. Let's start with a space. Yeah, you need this one. You need to know the size. So first of all, let's check. flat bottom. So let me show you. Stabilizers itself, right? So on the right side you see original, on the left side you see this new one. We need to assemble them, we need to add lubricant inside, and we need to do a 8 type mod. You can check how to do it in details in my other video, so I will do it quickly today, just not to spend a lot of time. But in general, you will need same 8 type what we just used for the plate. I have small piece, it will be enough for me, at least for one stabilizer. So main idea of this mod is to insert inside the stem a small piece of this band 8 type, so it will soften the movement of the stabilizer. Again, in details, please check my dedicated video, because it's a lot of time and I will just do it quickly and show you result. But if you understand what and why and how, please go and watch my dedicated video. So you should have something like this. Okay, so next you need to add the electric grease to the metal bar. You need to add lubricant to the housing of the stabilizer, and then we're ready to assemble it. You need just insert the bar, and so at the end you should have something like that, and put the stabilizers back into the plate. Okay, next stage, let's apply new switches and new keycaps. So Crystal Pro version 3 mechanical switches. This switches is linear and with 60-gram force, which is a lot and very interesting. And they are already pre-looped, which is great. I really recommend you to purchase pre-looped switches. It will save you just ton of time. And you know, if you are ordering something like that from the good brands, you will have a high quality product. So let's just quickly install them into this PCB. So you need pack of 2 or 2 packs of these switches to fill PCB. Just make a note if you are going to do the same. And here we go. I think you already start understanding what we are gonna to build today, and it will be awesome. As a keycaps, I will use today this PBT double shot golf padding keycaps with very interesting design. And as you may already start guessing, they are also with a clear element on the side. There you go, with this interesting white keycaps with a padding, and you will see why they're interesting in a minute. As a final stage, so what we have at the end. Let's check this out. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, I hope you enjoy the process. If you're interested in more modding details, please check my other videos on the channel. See you next time, bye bye.